Start by grabbing vertical sections as big as the tool that you're using. Start from the root of the hair and then wrap the iron and pull straight down. As you're pulling down, the top of your iron will let go of the hair and then it'll lock it in place, creating more of a wave than a curl. Do that all over the head, no matter how many sections it takes you. The smaller the section, the wavier it'll be. The larger the section, the more loose the wave will be. If you want a more textured look, you can go ahead and leave some of the ends straight. I like to take smaller sections around the face framing area just to ensure that those curls stay a little bit better, and then the crimpier they are, the cuter they are. Using a little texture spray and my wet brush, I'm combing out those waves after they've cooled, and then I'm going to put a little bit of dry shampoo at her roots just to make sure that this look can last the next couple of days. And there you have it, some nice beach waves to last you for the next 2 to 3 days.